Well, hello, friends. Chris Kelly here. Late in the week, Friday afternoon on a beautiful day here in Portland, Oregon, Portland Metro. Um, hey, just wanted to get out a little bit of information about stats and just kind of talk about what's likely going on right now and in the immediate going forward. So, I'm already starting to see it, at least on the, in the professional posts, the things that I look at. And I just got back from a big national conference with a lot of very high producing folks from around the agents, real estate agents from around the country. And a very common theme that I heard was, we're busy. There's not a lot of inventory. We're getting multiple offers. Heard that from people all over the country. Real estate is definitely local, and very much what happens in Phoenix, where I just was, at times it differs from what's happening currently in Portland. But in general, one thing that is happening right now is the market's heating up. So that said, let's take a quick look at stats. A lot more listings. Hallelujah. Listings to the market, new listings for this last week started with a 7. It's great. Hopefully that trend continues. And hopefully that trend matriculates down into this number getting bigger. More listings without, proportionally more sales ultimately would mean a slower market, which wouldn't necessarily be a bad thing. But you come down here and look at the median days on the market. We're at 8. Remember, I don't know if you guys remember me lamenting about this week after week after week, month after month, that we were at 5. Another week at 5 median days on the market. Well, we're at 8. The average is 41. So there are definitely some listings that are stragglers out there. And that has everything to do with, if you've ever been on an appointment with me and you've heard me talk about, the 1 through 10, a listing needs to be a 10 on a 10 scale. If it's a 1, it's, falling down on itself. If it's a 10, it's the Taj Mahal and perfect. If you can get closer to a 10, the likelihood you're going to sell and sell quickly and sell for the most money is high and higher. This right here is a perfect indication of what that means. There's some listings out there that are 1s through 5s on the 10 scale. And when the market was nutty, and in this block of time, really right here, when the market was nutty, all of those houses were selling. Now, the good houses are selling. The 7s and 8s and 9s and 10s. And those are the ones that are selling quickly. And a lot of homes are being prepared well, and they look great, and that's why they're selling at a fast clip. But there's definitely houses out there that are screwing up the average, and that's why that average number is much larger versus the median than it was in these prior years. So again, median and average sales price keeps going up. By the way, there's a graphic that's going to be in this post, and if you're seeing this on email, I'm sure it'll be in the email, and it says it's go time. You've heard me talk about the, there's going to be pause and there's going to be movement forward. Rates had just kind of gone up. Well, everybody I listen to is saying, inflation's showing signs of being reined in, at least to some degree. Rates are going to come back down. And what's that going to do to a market with low inventory? It's going to make it crank even faster. It's going to be a little harder at times to get an offer accepted, but that's what's going on. It's interesting. I found a graphic. Let me see if I can grab it here. I found a graphic from a year and a half ago, and I talked about what was going on and what was going to go on in the 22 market. So this, I think, was late 2021. And I said, rates are going to go up. Prices are going to stabilize, not necessarily decline, but the number of sales are going to go down. And if not gone too far, that equals a healthy market. That's exactly what happened. Now, rates are going to go down. Inventory numbers are low. Prices are going to go up. I am telling you this now. What does that mean? Well, if you're on the sideline and you're wondering, or maybe you got a great interest rate on the house you're in and you don't want to give it up for a 7% loan, that loan's going to probably start with a 5. Maybe a 4, who knows? But definitely rates are going to be on their way down. At least that's the way I see it. So I feel like things are going to heat up. It's going to be a great time to be a seller. It's been a good time to be a seller. It's going to be a really good time to be a seller. So just kind of wanted to have that conversation here at Week's End. As always, my team and I are here to talk about these things. We're here to give input and advice where and as needed. So if there's anything we can be doing to help, reach out and let us know. All of the mothers out there, I hope we all love you and appreciate you. And couldn't be here without you, figuratively and literally. But I hope everybody, all the mothers out there, have a fantastic Mother's Day. And really cherish what they have, cherish the memories where those exist, and just have a terrific weekend. All right, take care till the next time.